In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field in GoodDay. Adding custom fields is a great way to tailor your CRM to fit your team's specific needs, whether you're tracking extra client details, internal tags, or any custom data that doesn't come out of the box. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your GoodDay account. On the main interface, look towards the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu with options related to your personal account and settings. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can configure different aspects of your account and workspace. Give the page a second to load, and once it does, you'll see several tabs or sections across the top or side, depending on your layout. Next, look for the section labeled CRM. This is where all the customer relationship management settings are grouped together. Click on CRM to open up those options. This area controls how your contacts, companies, and other CRM records are structured and displayed. Within the CRM settings, you'll see different subsections. Find and click on CRM Contact. This section specifically manages the fields and structure for your contact records, which is usually where you'll want to add custom information for people or leads you're tracking. Once you're in the CRM contact settings, look for a button or option labeled New Field. This is the control that lets you create a brand new custom field. Click on New Field to start the setup process. After clicking New Field, you'll be prompted to select the type of field you want to create. This could be a text field, a number, a date, a drop-down, a checkbox, or other available types, depending on what GoodDay supports. Choose the field type that best matches the kind of information you want to store. For example, use a drop-down if you want users to pick from a predefined list, or a date field if you're tracking a specific deadline or anniversary. Once you've selected the field type and configured the basic options like the field name and any choices, make sure to save your changes. Your new custom field will now appear in your CRM contact records, ready to be filled in and used by your team.